0 Oil Mutton Biryani. Slice 2 onions. Air fry until golden brown. Set aside. In a bowl, add 750 g mutton, salt, garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, air-fried onions. Mix well. Marinate overnight. Add marinated mutton to a pressure cooker. Add 4 chopped tomatoes and 1 cup water. Pressure cook for 10 minutes. Soak 4 cups rice. In boiling water, add salt, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Add rice and cook till 70% Drain and set aside. Once mutton releases its own oil, turn off the heat. In a pot, layer rice, then mutton. Top with food color lemon slices, mint leaves, coriander, and air-fried onions. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Serve hot.